Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be covering how to add a product in the WhatsApp business catalog. All right, so you launch the WhatsApp business app on your mobile device. Then you unlock if you have the fingerprint security. Then you swipe to the right hand side to manage your business profile. Then you scroll upwards and click on catalog. All right, you'll be able to find the add new item. So we're going to do this video covers just for a single product. So you click on add new item, then you click on the image. So we're going to just use one image for this. It's a service listing, so you could advertise your service or showcase your service or your product. Then you input the item name. For this, professional media and planning services, more like an advertising services. Then you could add a price. It's optional. Then you could also add your description. So I've copied this out already, so I'll just paste it here. Then you click on more field if you want to add a link. So we have a website. I'm going to redirect people who want to find out more about our services. So https www.grightnm.com/services. All right. You could also add an item code just in case you want to track your inventory. Okay, so that's all. Then we could now save. So as you could see, this is just a single product and we're using just one photo. So you could add more images if you want. Okay, so here we go. We're saving our product listing on WhatsApp business catalog. So the saved, so it's been successful. All right, then we're gonna wait for WhatsApp team to review and approve. So once it's been approved, our customers will be able to see it on our profile, and people could also be able to click on the link and visit our website. So let's go back. Once it's approved, you're going to get a notification from WhatsApp. So you simply scroll upwards and you find the notification, something like this. Then you click on it, or you could restart your WhatsApp here to confirm if the product has been approved. So we're going to click on the catalog again, and you could see, okay, WhatsApp is even recommending that we run an advert with it. So you could also do this if you want, but this is our product that has been approved. So our service listing is accessible and is showable to our clients now. So let's see how WhatsApp is. I clicked on the website. So it's the link to our website. So it's taking us to our website now. So you could see how beautiful it is. So this is what we offer at Gright. So this is our service offering. All right, guys. So make sure you do showcase your business on the WhatsApp business catalog and enjoy.